Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen. Do so once again to extend the list of toggles. Now on one of the pages we should have a screen recording toggle, and let's see if I can find mine. No, it's right over here on the second page. Actually, no, that's a third page. So right over here. Once you find this toggle, you can tap on it. And so just bring up this quick message, start recording. I'm going to select start. It starts a countdown. I'm checking what kind of sound it's recording right now before I start speaking. So by default, it's set to record the system sound, which you can obviously change to something else like microphone, both or nothing. Then below that, or besides that, we have a pen, so you can start drawing on your screen. You can also change the color to something else. We have a front camera, or inside camera, I guess. And we can also pause the screen recording. And while pausing, you can obviously do other things, maybe open up some kind of application, sign into it. And resume a recording from here. And once you're done, click on the red square. This will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application. And there you go. So once it's saved, I'm going to open up the Photos application. And you can see it right here. So there we go. Now, while this is playing back, I'm going to quickly mention one more important thing. Not every application will be recordable, if that's even a word. Meaning, and there are some apps, for instance, like the Netflix application, which will black screen recorders. And if you try to use them, you'll get a black recording, as in just the content recording will be fully black. You will get sound from last time, at least last time I checked. But you won't have any kind of image. So if you ever encountered such a problem, just know that this is the screen recording being blocked by an application that for some reason has a little bit too much control in your device. Now, Netflix isn't the only one, obviously, but primarily streaming applications will do this for relatively obvious reasons, but also other sensitive applications, for instance, like a bank app, will also be blocking your screen recordings and also screenshots. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.